Hi, so I'm sitting here, I'm just going to have a little rant and for anyone starting out, a quick warning of how it goes. You have people selling you a course during this webinar, and slowly but surely they get to the pricing point, and they always start with something like, oh, this course is normally worth 5,000 and today only it's 2.5, and but we're doing a special 10% off, etc., and which is often true. And if you find a really good course, that's great. But a word of warning: do not hit the click button right away to buy. Give yourself time to think. There was a course I was just looking at a second ago, and they started off at a price of, I think it was 10,000 roughly, and then they came down to 4,997. And then if you bought today, you got a whopping $400 off. Ridiculous. And then they spread it out over, 3 or 4 payments. Please don't do that. Give yourself time. You don't have to react. You usually get a follow-up email with a video link to watch a review of it. There's lots of great courses out there. Give yourself time. A couple of tips: check, if you can, check what the community's like. The best thing is getting really good training. The second best thing is having a really good active community group on Facebook or something. You can usually do a Facebook search to get an idea of what's going on. Sometimes there's some unofficial Facebook pages. I've used quite a few different things, and I really have to stop saying all the time. So take your time. Don't jump in if you're doing affiliate marketing or you're looking for software products to help you. Take your time. Honestly, it drives me crazy. Anyway, while I'm here, there's a couple of other things. I'm doing some work on the traffic ranking systems. I've been having a look at TubeBuddy and VidIQ, and that's also driving me nuts, because there's a search term for, I think it's what's it? Hold on a sec, I have to remember what it's called. Yeah, so there's a search term, try on haul, that we were looking at the other day, and it's getting, it's got a lot of traffic. So I had a look at TubeBuddy and VidIQ, and on TubeBuddy, on VidIQ, it scores a whopping 81, which is fantastic. That means there's, lots and lots of search and very low competition, or vice versa. Actually, no, it's not. It's lots and lots of search and limited competition. On TubeBuddy, meanwhile, it scores 18, which is really, really bad. So I'm trying to figure out which is right, because VidIQ is absolutely brilliant at tons of stuff. TubeBuddy's great at tons of stuff, and yet they are radically different on that search term. So if you were going to do something on that, I have no idea whether that would be a good term to use. So I'm off to find out why they're different, and I will let you know as soon as I know.